Nigga, you on there. Tell them who you ain't even gotta rap for real. Just tell them who you is and how to find you. That's it.
G White. You know what I'm saying? You find me, just type G White GTM.
Spell that shit. In case they don't understand. You got some ignorant ass people on the internet.
W-H-I-T-E, White.
Nigga. Anywhere.
G White. Search me out though. I'm pop up. Come.
You do that shit?
I'm on there. Search me up.
Yeah.
Niggas gotta search me up. Though.
That's it.
Yeah.
Google them. Fuck it. YouTube. Nigga, that's what it, nigga. Look, and everybody be like, is it, nigga, you know, nigga, in 20 minutes, this shit gonna be on the internet, for real, like, and I dominate Google searches. I don't know if you know what that mean, but, like, when I put in G White,
yeah,
my video gonna come up before all your shit, because I got so much shit on the internet, you feel me? My shit, you know what I'm saying, it'll at least be 1, 2, or 3, because I got so much shit on the internet.
right.
That shit is based on pure mathematics. That's it.
Let me see something.